Hey, hey, hey! Attention mga kapatrol! Get ready for an epic giveaway! Once Express Info hits 150k subscribers, one lucky winner will win the incredible Oppo Reno 11F 5G smartphone. Here's how to join. Step 1. Subscribe to Express Info right now. Step 2. Like this video. Then step 3. Comment anything good and positive about our idol Kai Sotto. Super easy. Just subscribe, like, and comment.
Kai Sotto will improve during the OQT, playing against top-tier big man in Latvia with their big man, Kristaps Porzingis, a top-tier NBA big man playing for the Eastern Conference champions Boston Celtics. And for Georgia, with two NBA big men, Goga Bitadze, an NBA player who plays for Orlando Magic, and Sandro Mamukelashvili, an NBA player who plays for the San Antonio Spurs. Kai Sotto will have to defend those NBA big men with his great blocking ability, and Kai Sotto will have to score against them with his abilities to maneuver around the basketball hoop and score. Kai Sotto is focusing to improve his physical strength and power with Mel Lantin for the upcoming OQT, beginning this July 4 for their first game against Latvia. And the center matchup will be Kai Sotto versus Kristaps Porzingis. Kristaps Porzingis is known for his offensive attacks and shooting around the ring. He is 7'2" in feet, which makes him shorter by 1 inch, while Kai Sotto is 7'3", taller by 1 inch, so it gives Kai Sotto a better chance when blocking Kristaps Porzingis during the game. Gilas has 3 great centers that are Junmar Fajardo, a 7-time PBA MVP, AJ Edu, and Kai Sotto. These are the centers of Gilas, and AJ Edu can also be a power forward like when he played in the Japan B-League in Toyama Grouses.
Nangangamoy NBA na ba? Well, mukhang hindi na magpunta si Kai Sotto sa US para sa mga NBA minicamps and workouts. Ito ang pinakamabigat na desisyon ng kampo ni Kai at nag-focus na lang muna siya sa kanyang paglalaro sa Olympic Qualifying Tournament na kung saan ito ang pathway na kanyang tatahakin with the hope na sa Olympic Qualifying Tournament ay makukumbinsi niya ang mga NBA teams na karapat-dapat siyang bibigyan ng isang guaranteed NBA contract. At dahil sa magandang nilaro ni Kai sa 2023-24 Japan B-League season, Kai is now the object of several teams' desire. After showing tremendous inroads in his overall game, averaging 12.8 points and 6 rebounds, while hitting 57.7% of his field goals, the 7'3" center is a sought-after free agent. At hindi lang sa Japan, kundi pati ang mga NBA teams ay interesado rin kay Kai, although pinili ni Kai na siya ang puntahan ng NBA instead na siya ang magpunta sa NBA. After all, napakaganda ng mga offers ni Kai ng mga Japan B-League teams, and Japan teams are throwing insane sums of money at his feet. Per multiple sources, the lowest offer Kai has received so far is worth $600,000 a year, or roughly 2.9 million pesos a month based on the current exchange rate. So take note, ito ay per year at hindi per month as what we reported in our previous video. Pero kinurek ito ni Sir Homer Saison at ang figure na ito ay hindi per month kundi per year ito. Yet napakaliki pa rin ito considering na hindi ito makukuha ni Kai kung dito siya sa Pilipinas maglalaro. The highest bid, I am told, is valued $900,000 a year or 4.35 million pesos monthly. For context, if Kai enters the PBA rookie draft next month, The most he'll make under the league rules is 200,000 pesos a month in year 1 and 250,000 pesos a month in year 2. At balitang NBA naman, Derrick Jones Jr. alerto sa likod ni Luka Doncic at Kyrie Irving. Bagong Giant Slayer sa Western Conference ang Dallas Mavericks at dadalhin nila yon sa NBA Finals sa pakikipagtipan sa NBA Best Boston Celtics. Opener ng Race to 4-win series sa June 7 sa TD Garden. Sa trade deadline noong February, nalambat ng Dallas Mavericks sina center Daniel Gafford at forward P.J. Washington. Bago natapos ang regular season, nagalamay na ng dalawa ang papel nila sa tabi ng mga stars na sina Luka Doncic at Kyrie Irving at naging solidong rim defenders ng Dallas Mavericks sina Daniel Gafford at rookie Derek Lively II. May kontribusyon sa magkabilang dulo ng court ang support cast kasama si Derrick Jones Jr., ang 2020 Slam Dunk Champion. Itataas na ba ng Dallas Mavericks ang Larry O'Brien Trophy sa unang pagkakataon sa poll noong 2011? Well, noong 2011, 12 years old pa lang dito si Luka Doncic at player pa si head coach Jason Kidd na katandem ni Dirk Nowitzki. Sinipa ng number 5 Dallas Mavericks ang tatlo sa top 4 seeds ng West at number 4 Los Angeles Clippers sa first round, number 1 Oklahoma City Thunder sa semis, at number 3 Minnesota Timberwolves sa conference finals. Buong postseason na on target sa Luka Doncic kahit sa first round pa lang ay binagabag na siya ng kanyang sprained right knee. Naka-anim na triple-double siya sa playoffs. Ibinaon ang step-back 3 sa harap ni Rudy Gobert sa Game 2 ng West Finals bago umiscore ng 20 points sa first quarter ng closeout Game 5. At ayon kay Al Horford, yamado kami sa Dallas Mavericks. Kumakaway na ang NBA Finals 2024. Tampok ang high-octane offense ng Boston Celtics at Giant Killers Dallas Mavericks. 2 beses lang natalo sa playoffs ang 64-win Boston Celtics na nakaangkla ang play ni na Jason Tatum at ang Eastern Conference Finals MVP na si Jaylen Brown. Mula sa regular season, itinuloy ng Boston Celtics ang dominasyon sa postseason. Nilampaso din nila ang mga nakatapat sa East sa 12-2 run sa playoffs. 4 na laro lang ang nahatak sa clutch minutes. Sa conference finals, 3 sa panalo ay come from behind at winalis sa 4 na laro ang Indiana Pacers. 9 na larong nabakante ang Boston Celtics bago ang Game 1 sa June 7 at ayon kay veteran big Al Horford, nabentahi sila dahil nakapahinga na sila. Nagkaroon din ng mahaba-habang pagkakataon para makarecover si injured Kristaps Porzingis mula sa kanyang calf strain. Buhat first round ay hindi nakalaro ang 7'3" center at pag nakondisyon na siya ay magkakaroon ng dagdag na rim protector at 3-point threat ang Boston Celtics. So itataas na ba ng Boston Celtics ang record-setting 18th NBA Championship banner o baka may ibang plano ang Dallas Mavericks?